Is your family or your pets constantly scratching or getting bit? Those tiny pests could be fleas. And once they're inside your home, they can multiply fast. Many people think fleas are only a pet problem. But even if you don't own a dog or cat, fleas can hitch a ride into your home on wildlife like raccoons, skunks, or even visiting pets. The biggest challenge? A single female flea can lay 20 to 50 eggs every day, making infestations grow quickly if they're not addressed. The first step is treating all pets with veterinarian-approved flea products. Next, focus on your home. Vacuum carpets thoroughly, wash pet bedding, blankets, and linens in hot water, and clean the areas where your pets spend the most time. These steps help remove flea eggs and larvae before they become biting adults. Unfortunately, killing the fleas you can see isn't enough. Most of the flea population is actually hiding as eggs, larvae, or pupae deep inside carpets, furniture, and cracks around your home. That's why flea infestations often seem to come back again and again. If the infestation has gotten out of control, the fastest and most effective solution is professional flea control. At Action Termite and Pest Control, we target fleas throughout their entire life cycle, helping eliminate the infestation, not just the fleas you see today. Don't let fleas take over your home. Contact Action Termite and Pest Control today for a professional flea inspection and treatment. Call 800-920-0906 or visit actionpestcontrol.com. Action Termite and Pest Control, protecting New Jersey homes and families for over 55 years.